after you first came to us in June, and what sort of symptoms were you having when you saw us in June?
I was having extreme leg pain in the right leg that was affecting my upper buttocks area, thigh, and calf, and occasionally a burn in my right foot.
Okay. Was it affecting your ability to work or sleep?
Absolutely.
Or anything like that?
What it was doing was I would be able to continue normally for a period of time, and then the pain would be so intense that I would stop everything that I was doing to wait until that pain subsided. And then I could go on for a little bit more, and depending on what positioning I would do or what have you, it would return every bit as intense.
You were also having some back pain?
I was in the lower back area, lower back region. It was a constant dull ache.
What do you do for a living?
I build power lines.
So you have a physical job?
Very, very demanding physically. Weird positioning, loose footing, so on.
What kind of surgery did you have on June 4th?
The discectomy is the primary surgery that I had that relieved the pain that I was having in my right leg and lower back area initially.
How long after surgery did you go home?
Well, I went home immediately. It was my wife drove me from here for obvious reasons, and then we returned back to Las Vegas.
Okay. So you had about a 1 or 2 hour recovery after
Sure.
surgery and then left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, once I woke up out of a really nice sleep.
All right. So you were basically able to walk out of the center?
Sure.
You came back last week and had endoscopic rhizotomy for your back pain.
Correct.
And tell us about that procedure.
That was to try to take away the pain that I was still experiencing in the lower back that was pretty much overshadowed by the pain I had in my right leg and buttocks area. So that was kind of like the cherry on top, if you will.
You had surgery last Tuesday.
Yes, on the 30th.
Tell us what you've done. So now it's Monday. Tell us what you've done between Tuesday and Monday.
Probably everything the doctor wouldn't have told me. He would have told me to stay away from. I took the family to Disneyland and to California Adventure. We also went to the ocean a couple of days, and tried to break it up like that. Ended up spending as much as 14 hours on my feet.
So probably not the average post.
Not the average recovery recommendations.
Okay.
But I survived.
How did you find out about us?
My wife actually did the research because we were looking for remedies to get my back fixed. And she came across information about your procedures and you yourself and pursued that direction.